Oh, we already tried it, huh?
No, sorry.
You guys didn't want to wait for me.
Sorry.
What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and this is my friend Kelsey, and today we are going to be making some vegan and gluten-free Christmas blossom cookies. So let's get started, and we're going to show you guys all the ingredients that we're going to put in here. And real quick, if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button and tickle that notification bell so you never miss an upload. With that being said, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna begin with the dry ingredients. So what do we have here, Kelsey?
Sea salt.
Nice. We got half a teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of the baking powder. We got some raw cane sugar. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of that. So we just mixed up the dry stuff, and now we're gonna go into the wet. So now we're adding a 1/4 cup of the almond butter into this pot, as well as 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, and then we will begin melting them down and then adding the rest of the ingredients.
So now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Hello from the future. So as I'm editing this video, I realized that we made a mistake. So we added 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, but it was supposed to be 1 teaspoon. Now, that did not throw off the taste. The cookies were still delicious, but if you guys want to follow the recipe that we were following, make sure to just add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And also, if you're wondering why I said almond butter, but it says peanut butter on the screen, that's also because I made a mistake. The original recipe called for almond butter, but I figured it would taste much better with peanut butter since we already had almond flour. So just thought I'd clear that up real quick in case you guys were confused. Back to the video.
Some almond milk. So we cooked it on low heat, that way we could get all the ingredients melted without burning any of the ingredients, and it looks like it came together pretty nicely. Perfect, it's done.
So now we're mixing the wet ingredients with the dry. And this is gonna be our cookie batter, right?
Duh.
So this is what your batter should look like, and now we're gonna scoop it out and put it onto this baking sheet with some parchment paper so we have no sticking issues. All right, what are we doing now?
We're gonna put them in the oven. It's preheated to 350, and they're gonna go in for 6 to 8 minutes.
Nice.
Like that. I think they look better that way.
That's nice. I like that.
Oh, so you didn't like my idea?
No.
My idea wasn't good, I guess.
I mean, that just looks weird.
But it's gonna melt a little bit.
You pretty much did all this.
Yeah,
You gonna start a YouTube channel?
I might. What if your fans like me better, and I have to now do all your videos?
Well, you know what it is.
It wasn't that funny this time, so maybe next time.
You'll get more comfortable as we go.
I'm gonna be in more?
If you want.
Okay, now I'm your partner.
No, I'm
You need a girl, a witty sidekick that's a girl.
Yeah.
a witty sidekick that's a girl. That would be the same.
Yeah.
All right, guys, here is the final product. Probably can't see because it's not focusing, but we are gonna do a taste test here with the whole audience in the group. So, you guys first. Everyone get their cookie. You took mine. That was the reject one. No, it's fine. It's okay.
This is. I like.
You can have it. I'll take the other reject one. Oh, we already tried it, huh?
No, sorry.
You guys didn't want to wait for me.
Sorry.
All
I
right.
was hungry.
Oh my god.
These are really good.
Wow.
Good stocking stuffers.
What?
Good stocking stuffers.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Put them in some plastic bags first.
Well, I'm out, man.
Wow, that's like melt in your mouth. Good.
Can I eat another one?
Yeah.
Make
She
sure-
made them.
Make sure you leave one for Santa. Those are bomb.
These are really bomb. Good with that too.
I think the thing that really made it though was the peanut butter. The
Yeah.
almond butter.
You think so?
That's what made it more like the actual cookies.
Good idea by me. So the recipe called for almond butter,
Sorry.
but your boy wanted some peanut butter in there instead. So everyone liked it, right? The general consensus.
Fantastic.
Cool.
Yeah. They're actually really good.
Yeah, they are.
Can we get a zoom in of me biting this cookie?
Go ahead. Come here. Yeah, if you want to do it, do it.
No, I'm not about that.
You don't want to do that?
Show your teeth.
Show my teeth.
Get all up in there.
All right.
You can get down in there.
I'm just gonna
all
get right
the way,
here.
right there. But look to here,
All right.
because that's where you're looking.
I just
Yeah,
gotta
there you
bite
go.
it?
Yeah.
And stare at the camera and bite it?
Yeah,
For
yeah,
real?
go ahead.
Staring contest.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below. What did you guys think of this recipe? And also let us know if you want to see Kelsey in some future videos. With that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one. The deuce.